Hello family rare culture. Today I like to share with this opportunity for how you can get job in Canada 2023 with free visa. Getting a job in Canada and obtaining a visa sponsorship can be a complex process, but here are some general steps that you can follow. Number 1. Determine your eligibility. To work in Canada, you will need a work permit. There are several types of work permits, including open work permits, employer-specific work permits, and International Experience Canada (IEC) work permits. Depending on your country of origin, education, skills, and work experience, you may be eligible for different types of work permits. Number 2. Find job opportunities. There are several websites and job boards that you can use to search for job opportunities in Canada. Some popular job boards include Indeed, Monster, and LinkedIn. You can also check out the Government of Canada's Job Bank, which lists job opportunities across the country. Number 3. Apply for jobs. Once you have identified job opportunities that match your skills and qualifications, you can apply for them. Make sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to the job you're applying for, and highlight any relevant work experience or education. Number 4. Obtain a job offer. In order to obtain a work permit, you will need a job offer from a Canadian employer. If you are eligible for an employer-specific work permit, your employer will need to apply for a Labor Market Impact Assessment (LMIA) to demonstrate that there are no Canadians or permanent residents available to fill the job. Number 5. Apply for a work permit. Once you have a job offer and an LMIA, if required, you can apply for a work permit. You will need to provide various documents, including your job offer, LMIA, if required, and proof of your qualifications. Number 6. Obtain a visa. If you are not a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you will also need to apply for a visa. The type of visa you need will depend on your country of origin and the length of your stay in Canada. Remember, the process of obtaining a job and a visa sponsorship in Canada can be complex and may require the assistance of an immigration lawyer or consultant. It's important to do your research and ensure that you understand the requirements and process before you begin your job search. If you're looking for a job in Canada and a visa sponsor, here are some tips that may help. 1. Research the job market. Before you start your job search, it's important to understand the job market in Canada. Look for industries that are in demand and research companies that have a history of hiring international workers. This can help you target your job search more effectively and increase your chances of finding a job. 2. Build your network. Networking can be an important part of finding a job in Canada. Attend job fairs and career events, join professional organizations, and reach out to Canadian contacts on social media or LinkedIn. Building relationships with Canadian professionals can help you learn more about the job market and potentially lead to job opportunities. 3. Tailor your resume and cover letter. When applying for jobs in Canada, make sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to the job you're applying for. Highlight your skills and qualifications, and make sure to address any job requirements listed in the job posting. 4. Consider immigration programs. Canada has several immigration programs that are designed to attract skilled workers to the country. Consider exploring programs like the Express Entry Program, the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, or the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, AIPP, to see if you are eligible. 4. Be patient. Finding a job in Canada and obtaining a visa sponsor can take time, so be patient and persistent in your job search. Consider taking temporary jobs or internships to gain Canadian work experience and continue to build your network and skills. Remember, finding a job in Canada and obtaining a visa sponsorship can be a complex process and may require the assistance of an immigration lawyer or consultant. It's important to do your research and ensure that you understand the requirements and process before you begin your job search. If you have any question, put your comment. I will help you from start to the end. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe Rare Culture.